In this question, we're going to see how you can be able to use substitution method in order to work out this definite integral. We're given 2x over 3x squared plus 1. And then we're going to integrate this with respect to x. So the first thing we need to do here, we look at the denominator. We have 3x squared plus 1. So meaning if we differentiate the denominator, we are going to have a term that is similar to what is in the denominator. So we're going to say let u be equal to 3x squared plus 1. So once we have done that, we're going to find the u dx. So if we find the u dx, this is going to be 6x, and then we can be able to multiply dx both sides, and we shall have du equals to 6x dx. Now, once we have done that, I want you to look at the term we have in here, 2x. Can we be able to express 6 such that it's having 2x there? Yes, we can do that. We can be able to say du dx can be written as 3 times 2x dx, so that we are going to divide by 3 both sides, and then we're going to divide by 3 both sides. We're going to end up having 1 over 3 du equals to 2x dx. And this is the expression that we're going to use when we're going to substitute, because we are going to substitute 2x dx with a third du. The next thing we're going to do here is to work out the limits, because you can see the limits that we are having is 0 to 3. This is x and that is x. So we can be able to change the limits to be in terms of u. Having said that u equals to 3x squared plus 1, we can be able to find the limits when x equals to 0. Our u is going to be equal to 1. When x equals to 3, we're going to substitute that into the expression of u, so that we're going to have this equal to 28. So meaning when we're going to write our integral, in order to integrate within that, we're going to use the limits 1 to 28. So we're going to write this integral that we were having, the original integral, in terms of u. But remember, we had said 3x squared plus 1 represents u, and the 2x dx is going to be a third du. So we are going to use this part, right? And then now we can be able to write the expression as from u1 to u equals to 28. Remember to change the limits, and then we're going to write this expression as a third integral to that. And now you need to remember that integrating 1 over u is the same as ln of u, natural log of u. So if we integrate this, we're going to have this, and our limits are going from 21 all the way to 28. Remember, when you have definite integral, you are not going to add plus c, because eventually it's going to cancel out. Moving further, we're going to substitute into the bracket, and then we shall have ln of 28 minus ln 1. And I believe you remember that ln of 1 is 0. Then we can be able to say our final answer is a third ln of 28, which we can be able to write as ln 28 over 3. If you found value in this particular video, consider subscribing, so that in time we are going to upload more tutorials, you'll be notified. Subscribe.